Hi everyone, we are taking 7-day aloe vera challenge on face and let's see if it reduces acne spots or not. As you can see, I have lot of acne here and some in this part, some in forehead also. So I will be using aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule for this 7 days on my face after cleaning it thoroughly. I've already cleaned it right now with face wash and now let's apply some aloe vera gel on top of it.
This is the aloe vera cream that I've made. So I've used aloe vera gel and I have also added green capsule and mixed it thoroughly. And this is like a creamy gel kind of consistency as you can see here. Now it's black. I'm gonna only a little amount and some under my eyes this time. Okay. This is really good for oily skin because it does not make your skin sticky. And the more oil, I tried because I'm able to say all this, that it does not make my skin sticky. And this is the day one, so let's wait for 7 more days before we actually get to see the results.
But right now it feels a little sticky, but after some time it will be perfectly normal like skin and you don't like need to use even a face powder. So that is the thing. So today is the day one. I will be using it in the morning and in the evening. So 2 times a day I will be using it and so yeah, let's keep applying it daily and let's see the result at the end of the 7-day challenge. So today is Monday and we'll be waiting until the next Monday before we see the results. Hi everyone. So today is day 2 of applying this aloe vera cream. So now let me apply. I have washed my face and
this is how it is today. A little bit smaller acne, I think. So yeah, let me apply this. I'm taking just a little bit portion. You see, like a little bit over the eyes, so that I think it can treat discolorations as well.
that's it. And one more thing I would like to tell you is that yesterday when I applied it, so my skin was feeling super light and non-greasy at all. Means after 10-15 minutes all the cream that I've made is soaked up in my skin and it was feeling really light and non-greasy at all. So I really like the texture, how it make my skin look. And also like when you apply this at first, then it will make your skin look really shiny. As you can see, like if the light is falling, like, and then it is giving me a you might not be able to see it in the camera, but I am able to see it. Like it is making my skin look shine.
Like even in the mirror I feel like it is like glowing, glass skin like thing. So yeah, that is also a thing with this. So I'm applying a little bit more under the eyes and the eyebrows. So I'm not aware, like let's see what it does after 7 days, what changes does it make on my skin. So a little bit more to the acne part. Yeah, done.
So this is for the day 2 morning time. So it's evening now. Now let's wash my face before applying that cream. So you can see my face is a bit oily now due to all the activities, and now let's wash it. So I'm gonna use this Pilgrim's face wash. Now let's wash our face. So I washed my face and dried it with a towel. This face wash that I used, it has very soft silicone bristles here. This is not any kind of promotional video. I just really like this Pilgrim's face wash and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. And when another face wash I liked very much was Mamaearth's vitamin C face wash, and this is not any kind of promotional video. Ta-da! Done. See you in the morning. Hi everyone, so today is day 3, Wednesday of using aloe vera gel on skin. So let's apply this. Done. So I've used Pilgrim's face wash yesterday. So if you want to buy that, you can find the link down in the description box below. And I also mentioned one more face wash, that was Mamaearth Vitamin C face wash. So if you want to check out the Mamaearth product review, then also you can find the link in the description box below for that video. So yeah, that's it for right now. Let's see you in the evening. Hi everyone, it's Wednesday evening and let's start our daily procedure. And now let me wet my face and then we'll move towards the face wash. I think we should change routine sometime. I'm done now, so I'll go wash my face first. So I have washed my face and it's dry now. So since it is night time, I'm thinking of applying this toner, and I've been using this for a while now. But this needs some 2-3 minutes to get air dried, because after applying toner, we should not directly wash it or rub it. So I will take some gentle amount.
Just dabbing it on my face.
You can find the link to this toner in the description box below, so make sure to check that out and let me know if you have already used this toner, or if you have used some other toner and that works on very well on like oily or combination skin, because I have sometimes oily and combination kind of skin, sometimes generally oily though. So this toner works very well for me, so let me know if you have like other suggestions. Also, you can find the link to this fragrance face wash and Mama Earth product review in the description box below, so go and check it out. Till then, let's try this. The weather is so good, like so nice, and cool breeze are there. I'll show you that as well. It's a little bit sticky, but it doesn't matter because I'm using it at night time, so yeah. I'm here with my cream. I will give a nice massage under my eyes, maybe for a small time only, because this area I have dark circles, as you can see, and like giving a light massage gets this area hydrated, which means it can reduce my dark circles. Yes. I've applied cream over the toner, so it's a bit sticky now, you can see.
So it's a very nice breeze. I don't want to go inside that after.
Hi guys, so today is Thursday and today is Rakhi. So let's do the routine for today. So I have this cream with me. Now let's apply this. Done. So since today is Rakhi, I was thinking of getting a little bit ready. So for that, I'm using this Garnier BB cream. I'm taking a tiny drop. And now I am applying this Acne Perfect Radiance Compact Powder. So these are the products I use while going out or getting ready for some festive and all. And now lip balm time. So I have this two Nivea Berry Shine and this Acne Lip Love. So I'm gonna use this one today. So if you want to try out any of these products, then I will add the link of all of them in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Till then, keep watching this video until the end to see the final results. Hi everyone, today is Friday, day 5 of this 7-day challenge, and today I'm going to show you my skincare routine as well. So let's start with the face wash. I'll just come up after washing this. So today I'm feeling like scrubbing my face a little bit, and it's always good to use a scrub once in a while or once in a week if possible. So I'm gonna use a scrub right now. So I have these two scrubs. One is from Pori Cream Milk and Honey. Another one is this Acne Sun Expert, but I don't feel like this Acne Sun Expert Detail scrub is that good, because sometimes I feel like it's too time actually. I feel like whenever I use this, I do a lot of acne. So I'm not gonna use this one, and I'm not suggesting anyone to use this. So Milk and Honey has always been good on my skin. I am using it for 4 or 5 years now, since when I have been introduced to this one. So I'm gonna use this one now. I will try to find a link of this scrub if I find in Amazon. You should not apply scrub on a dry face, which should be a little bit wet. So if I find the link, I'll link down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Or if you have any other scrub or homemade scrub even, then you can also use it. I also use a homemade scrub as well from time to time, so I will share that in next video. Be gentle while scrubbing, because it can cause redness if you press it too hard on your skin and your skin is sensitive. So yeah, it's dry now. Now let me wash it and I'll just come back. So I washed my face after scrubbing. I need to get it dry now. So it's dry now, and now I'm gonna apply a face mask before applying cream. So that is a very common face mask. It's a home remedy. You might have now guessed it until by now. That is, yes, based on face pack. I take a small quantity in my hands only, like this. I'll add some water and make it a paste. So I've added water. Now I'm making a paste of it. You can also add milk or cream, milk cream or milk, and rose water as well, according and even some honey. So according to your skin type. So generally I just like adding water or milk or flow, and that's it. So the turmeric I have used for this is a special turmeric. It's not just regular turmeric that you'll find in your kitchen. It's a white turmeric that is good for skin basically. So I'll link down that also in the description box below. So make sure to check that out. Otherwise, if you don't want to buy it, you can use your turmeric from kitchen as well, or even if you don't want to go with turmeric, that's also. So just gram flour or basin. This gives an instant brightness to your face due to the turmeric. So I'm gonna let this for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll come back. It's 10 minutes now and it's dried completely, so let me go and wash it and then I'll come back. So now it's time to apply the aloe gel cream that we have made. So now apply this. It's just 2 days left until this challenge completes. If you follow something religiously, if you do it continuously, then only you'll be able to succeed, right? So yeah, I have applied it right now. I can see like it's glowing. Blush, I can't say blush actually, but yeah, you can see it's kind of glowing. So I'm pretty happy with the result till now, but let's wait for 2 more days to see the final result. Hi everyone, so today is day 6, Saturday, of applying this aloe vera gel cream which I have made. So let's apply it. So कल से मेरे चेहरे पे मुझे काफी ग्लो लग रहा है, तो let's see the end result. So wait for it. Stay tuned on this video and see it until the end to see the final result. Hi everyone, so today is day 7 of this 7-day challenge. Today is Sunday and now let's apply this cream. I've washed my face thoroughly with my face wash and now let's apply. So now I've applied the cream and now the most awaited thing of this whole series, the results. So now you can see acne is not gone completely. I have not new acne right now, so that's one point. They are, I think, healing. I can feel like they are healing, but they are not gone completely. So maybe I've taken just like 7-day challenge. Maybe it might take few more days. So I'm not going to stop applying this cream. I will keep applying this, and if I see any better results for acne specifically, I'll let you all guys know. And the other benefit I saw after applying this within just 7 days is like my skin is feeling much lighter now. Like earlier when I used to apply different kinds of creams, so my skin started feeling sticky, it gets oily very easily, and I feel like there is something that's burdening my face. So that is highly reduced now. So I'm feeling much lighter, and after applying this, like my skin doesn't get greasy easily while it keeps moisturized, while I feel my skin is hydrated, but it's completely light, no oiliness. It reduced my oil and it also gives me a kind of glow. You might not be able to see it in the camera, but I am able to see it that it's kind of glowing. And not only this, I have shown you skincare also, like what you can do once a week at least. And the key to this is consistency. You need to be consistent with whatever you're doing, right? If you're applying this cream, you should keep applying this without any excuses, because all the excuses are in our mind. Whatever we think happens, right? So we need to like remove excuses from our mind and make it a habit to do it completely. I will bring more challenges in the future. Like my next video that I am thinking of creating is like reduce discolorations or grow eyelashes and eyebrow naturally at home. What I have also already seen, like this thing helps in growing eyelashes or this thing helps in reducing skin discolorations. I'm gonna test that actually. So it's not completely kind of challenge kind of thing, but yeah, it's a testing kind of thing. So please stay tuned on my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe it now. What are you waiting for? Subscribe it now and stay tuned on this to see the next video. And one more thing, whatever products I have used in this video, I will link all of that down in the description box below. So make sure you guys check that out, so that if you want to like buy any of the things, you don't have to search for it here and there. You can directly go into the description box below and check that out. Please save it somewhere so that you can find it easily, and also share this with your friends and families so that they can also follow for their good skincare, right? I'll be bringing more good skincare routines and fashion related videos, lifestyle related videos, and some birthday outfit ideas as well, because my birthday is coming. So yeah, that's all about this challenge. I hope you're happy with the results, because I am definitely super happy. Though it does not reduce my acne, I think it's not yet time to reduce it. Maybe 7 days is a little less time, so I'm not gonna stop applying this because I love this cream. It's very cheap also, right? I took this aloe vera gel, mixed it with some vitamin E capsules, and voila, here's the cream. So yeah, so that is easy hack. I'll be bringing more of this in the future, so stay tuned on my channel, and thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, do leave a comment and a big thumbs up on this video so that it can reach to a larger audience. And thanks.